Good morning. Get the camera set. Let's see. Come on. There we go. They're still up there. It's 6:45 in the morning. Let's see. Walk by this little maple tree. I love maple trees. They're like my favorite. Well, no. Cypress is my favorite. A lot of trees that grow up in Colorado, Montana, and that area. Got some trees up there I love. Anyway, it's not showing up real good. And of course, I'm not keeping the camera focused on it. There it is. They're still up there. That's a better shot right there. That's a real good shot of them. I've got a infusion visit up at the, on 4th of July. They're open this part of the morning. So I'm gonna go get my fluid intake, IV fluid intake. It'll probably be, 11 before I get back. I'm not sure what they'll have done, but we'll see. My bees have swarmed. I'll put another box on top of this one and see if giving them some more room will help. Hopefully they hadn't found something around here to swarm into. Okay, so without a suit on, since everybody was quiet, I didn't get my smoker out. I pulled the top off, put me some more frames in, put another box on there. And I want y'all to notice, and I saw this somebody else. My first hive, the hive capture, I used rubber bands and put comb in there when I moved them. Well, they take and chew the rubber bands off and bring them outside the building. They put the trash out at the front door. Now I've noticed since I did this just a minute ago, picked my phone up, I'm getting a little more activity. There were bees in there. They didn't seem to mind that I opened their house. I've got to get one more frame put in there. I'll do that today. Got a couple more down there, but I've got to get to this appointment, so I've got to go. See y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and post this short video, so y'all come back now. You hear?